vlog, I'm going to take you to two beaches of Goa, that is Candolim Beach and Miramar Beach. So let's begin the vlog now.
I am here at the Candolim Beach, which someone suggested that is the best beach to go for, and the weather is like really fine here, and I think I'll have a good time here now. Now I need to find a corner for myself, or maybe that place to sit. So that's the beautiful place that I'll be sitting now, just in front of the sea. No, the beach. I'm so confused in this. Guys, finally I am here. I've changed for the beaches and here at the Candolim Beach. And that was actually something I was looking forward to while I was planning for Goa. And here, let me show you the view. गोवा वाले बीच पे बेबी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के. So I am at the beaches now, and maybe I'll try to get into the water just a bit for today. So there you see the water sports, the banana boat, parachute, dolphin thing. There is a lot of like things going on here. But the thing is, I just wanted to sit, relax and feel this air, feel this water. I'll just go there after some time. And maybe in case you are coming, you should also try doing this, and maybe someday I can plan for those rides also. But right now it's just so amazing, and now I feel that why Goa is so beautiful.
समुंदर में नहा के और भी
Oh,
नमकीन
wow.
हो गई हो.
It's not coming that far.
नमकीन हो गई हो.
Like it comes so fast.
अरे लगा है प्यार का वो रंग.
So guys, see what I made. I made बेताब फलक.
अरे लगा है प्यार का वो रंग के रंगीन हो गई हो.
So now is the time to hop on to the food, which is the seafood salad. I'm having seafood at Candolim Beach, and the place is fish hut, and it's super yummy.
समुंदर में नहा के और भी.
This crow I have named Coco wants to come into my vlog, and she's telling me since like she or he, I don't know, that I want to come into your vlog. Oh, and now she's
नमकीन हो गई.
so they all were hungry, and I just thought of feeding them. Look at them. Oh, don't be afraid. लग रहे हैं ये धरती पवन. मैंने पूछा तो बोले पगले पवन. प्यार हुआ चुपके से, ये क्या हुआ चुपके से, ये क्या हुआ चुपके से. So guys, that was it for the beaches for day 2, and now you might be thinking that I didn't go inside the water today, and the reason was I actually was not carrying any like attire according to that. I was not prepared for the beach thing, and secondly I didn't know where to keep my belongings if I go inside, and who will hold my camera and stuff like that. So I'll be going to another beach tomorrow. I'll go inside the beach with my friends. Bye. Bye. Good morning, Goa. So it's day 3, and we've started our day with coming to the beach. And like I told you that I'll be coming to the beach with my friends. So here they are, roaming around, wandering. what to do because we have just woken up. So let's see how the day goes.
The morning sea waves were even more beautiful, and we also collected the seashells that were like little heart in shape. And this is my friend Jasmine.
भीगे बदल को तेरे खिलता कमल कहूँ देखा तुझको दिल में आया देख
To see the sunrise. So guys, it was a lovely morning and a lovely experience at the beaches. We didn't go much inside the water. I don't feel like, I don't know why.